Element 4, cleanup, has three performance criteria. 4.1, assembly and holding system is dismantled carefully. So that might be if something is being put together for a project but needs to be dismantled before the project is finished. That might be part of scaffolding, although this isn't a scaffolding thing. It could be that you've got a specific setup for putting things together and they need to be dismantled. So things are dismantled carefully, basically. You're not just smashing things apart. 4.2, waste material is disposed of safely and reusable material is stored and stacked. The construction industry is really big on trying to minimise waste now. And if you can reuse materials or reclaim materials, you try and do that as much as possible. Gone are the days of having just a big skip bin with everything thrown in that's left over. And 4.3, tools and equipment are cleaned, maintained and stored. Pneumatic tools are oiled. Petrol-driven tools are checked for their oil and their operation, they're lubricated properly. General assembly tools, hammers, spanners, that sort of stuff, that they're packed away in their right packets, so that, or boxes, so that you can find them easier next time.